Well, alright. Thank you for looking. Thank you for visiting my channel. I've been working on my overlanding kitchenette for my Ram 1500 for over a week. And the benefits are like this. There's 60 inches full extension with 2 fridges, 25 quarts each. This will have plenty room for food and beverage. And on the left side is the kitchenette. It's a full extension drawer, 26 inches wide. And as soon as you open it, you will see 2 burner cooktop and a 3 burner grill, 24 inches and 14. All surrounded by diamond plate aluminum, so it will be very sturdy. Not gonna get burned. On 60-inch sliders, and plenty of room for food storage. Then you got your drawer for all utensils, pretty big size drawer. And you also have a sink. You connect your water to it, and then you have your sink. Pretty neat. And you just close it. Very smooth. Just like that. Awesome.